Dear students, today we are continuing with the sums of exercise 8.6. Question number 4. Find the population of a city at any time t, given that the rate of increase of population is proportional to the population at that instant, and that in a period of 40 years the population increased from 30,000 to 40,000. It is not given that in a particular time t. It is given any time t. So we need to get an equation for finding population p and t. Okay, now let p be the population, and these steps are same as question number 2. So then dp by dt is equal to rate of increase of population, which is proportional to p, and it is equal to kp, and dp by p is equal to k dt, that is variable separable form. On integrating we will get integral 1 upon p dp is equal to k into integral dt plus c, that is log p is equal to kt plus c. That is when applying the conditions initially, that means t is equal to 0, p is 30,000. So log 30,000 is equal to k into 0 plus c, that is c is equal to log 30,000. Substitute the values in the equation. Log p is equal to kt plus c, where c is log 30,000. Now log p minus log 30,000 is equal to kt, and log p upon 30,000 is equal to kt by applying the logarithms rule. That is law of logarithm of the quotient rule. Now when t is equal to 40, p is equal to 40,000. That is the second condition. That is after 40 years p changes from 30,000 to 40,000, means t is equal to 40, p will become 40,000. So log 40,000 upon 30,000. In this we will substitute p is equal to 40,000. So log 40,000 upon 30,000 is equal to k into 40. So we will get the value of k as 1 upon 40 log 4 upon 3. Now value of k is also substituted in equation number 1. Then log p upon 30,000 is equal to t upon 40 log 4 upon 3, which is equal to log 4 upon 3 raised to t upon 40. Now in the final there is no value for p and t given, so we will write p upon 30,000 is equal to 4 upon 3 raised to t upon 40 by the law of logarithm. That is p is equal to 30,000 into 4 upon 3 raised to t upon 40. This is the equation formed, and if the value of t is given, we can find out the value of p in this from this equation. Question number 5. The rate of depreciation dv by dt of a machine is inversely proportional to the square of t plus 1, where v is the value of the machine in t years after it was purchased. That is t years after it was purchased. The initial value of the machine was rupees 8 lakh and its value decreased to rupees 1 lakh in the first year. Find its value after 6 years. Here depreciation, you know very well that it is the decrease in the value after wear and tear. Now according to the given condition, dv by dt is proportional to, inversely proportional means 1 upon t plus 1 whole square. Inversely proportional to the square of t plus 1 means 1 upon t plus 1 the whole square. Now it can be written as dv by dt is equal to minus k upon t plus 1 the whole square, and it is depreciation means decrease in value, so we will write a negative sign here. So minus k upon t plus 1 the whole square, and dv is equal to minus k dt upon t plus 1 whole square in variable separable form. So on integrating we will get v is equal to minus k into d integral dt by t plus 1 whole square is minus 1 by t plus 1, and minus 1 by t plus 1 into minus k is k upon t plus 1 plus c. Now we apply the conditions given. When t is equal to 0, value is 8 lakh, and we substitute this value in this equation. So 8 lakh is equal to k upon 0 plus 1 plus c. T is equal to 0. So 8 lakh is equal to k plus c. Now when after 1 year, that is when t is equal to 1, value reduces to 7 lakh, because it is given that when after 1 year the value reduced by 1 lakh. Reduced by 1 lakh means the now the value is 7, means after 1 year the value is 7 lakh. That is 8 lakh minus 1 lakh. So 7 lakh is equal to k upon 1 plus 1 plus c. So we get another equation, that is 7 lakh is equal to k upon 2 plus c. Now we will solve the equation 1 and equation number 2. Then 1 minus 2, we will subtract equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So 8 lakh minus 7 lakh is 1 lakh is equal to k minus k upon 2 is k upon 2. And c minus c is 0. Then k is equal to 2 lakh, and we substitute this value of k also in the equation number 3. So in equation number 1, wherever k is there you can substitute if either in 1 or in 2. So c is equal to 6 lakh. You will get equation number 1. C, if you substitute k is equal to 2 lakh, then you will get c is equal to 6 lakh. Now final question is, after 6 years what is the value of the machine? So when t is equal to 6, we will substitute in the equation number any like equation number 1 or equation number initial equation also you can substitute, that is v is equal to k upon t plus 1 plus c. There also you can substitute the values of k and c. That is v is equal to k upon 6 plus 1, 6 years. After 6 years means 6 plus 1 plus c is 6 lakh. So simplifying this equation, you will get 6,28,571.4286. We can approximate this value as 6,28,571. Now value of the machine after 6 years is 6,28,571 rupees. So this much is this lesson. Now next lesson we will start in the next video. Thank you.